I'm really fed up of a relationship like this. My situation and Adil Luna's situation is same. I'm very tired of this. I told her me and her and Sam just live with Kuya and just I will with my boyfriend.
Parang genie, oh.
One day I found her family. And I told her this family, I don't want to work as a housemaid, only nanny. But this one, he told me to go into McDonald's. And he told me, he gave me money and he told me buy some the gift for the children. But I was wrong. And then this boss telling me I'm stupid. He's telling me, why you stupid, Julie? I told you to buy this shit and why you buy this soft drinks? Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? You're so dumb. And I'm only crying in front of him. And I told him I'm not stupid, but I'm I'm really bobo. But what to do? I'm only human, I'm not stupid. Maybe you told me you cancel me. Anyway, my visa is not running yet. My visa is not coming yet. And then only COVID and then I'm leaving. Really, I'm very sorry, doctor. I get my weight. Why are you laughing so much? Am I funny? I go to my boyfriend. He's 35 years old. He's only wasting his time for me. In the end of the day, he'll go to his country. He will marry. Then how about me? I'm getting old. He's only waiting for me to having a wrinkles on my face. When I get 40 years old, and how on my face? I'm becoming fat. I'm so much having cholesterol on my body. And all the girls is only letting me go. Then I couldn't find other men in my life. What is it? Oh my God. One morning when I woke up, I was sitting there. When I woke up, I get down from here and I just check Adil O'Neill. I don't know what's happening to Adil O'Neill. He doesn't have a lipstick on her lips. I don't know what she's doing. And then suddenly I go outside and I started to cook. I cook already the breakfast. And I told Adil O'Neill, come outside, have some breakfast. And she didn't hear me. She's just putting lipstick on her lips. And then she's talking on the phone. And she's always making sentences. I don't know what she's doing.
Dati na yan. Bumabalik na ngayon eh. Painom na ng gamit. Parang nautusan ng gamot.
Hindi na ako mamamatay na.
Natatawa.
That's why I talk to my brother Abu. You don't talk to your mom. Your mom is only letting you to go outside. She's always busy. Every day she doesn't have work.
Teka lang, natawag ako si Steven. Ate, manjabat mo dyan. Hala.
Dili.
Nataba ka dyan yung puto niya.
Sorry naman, Abo.
Wala na, lobat na.